All right, so we're asked to expand in standard form. So they give us 4y minus 9 times the quantity 2y minus 3. Remember that when we write this out, the standard form is like ax squared plus bx to the first power. I think that 1 is usually not written there, but just think it, plus the constant c. Well, they want to know, there's two things. One is I'm just going to multiply it out. So I'm just going to write 4y minus 9 here on the grid, and then I'm going to write out 2y minus 3 here on the grid. And I just multiply. 2 times 4 equals 8. Y times y equals y squared. So that becomes 8y squared. The next one, 2 times negative 9 is just negative 18. And then we tack on this y because it's technically 2y. Then I say negative 3 times 4, that's negative 12. And then we tack on this y, so that goes here. So that's negative 12y. And then negative 9 times negative 3 equals positive 27. Now, earlier today, somebody says, does it matter if I write it out this way, or can I write it this way? In other words, does it matter where I place the binomials? Well, if you look at the math, you end up getting the same answer. The only thing that's different is the 18y here, the negative 18y here, is written up here. Now, one of the things I said earlier is that multiplication is commutative. And what that means is 2 times 3 is 6. Or 3 times 2 is also 6. So that means that A times B is equal to B times A, as long as you're just multiplying. In other words, it doesn't matter. I could flip-flop this with this, and it'll still be the same answer. So now let's combine like terms, though, and find out what the final answer is. So 8y squared is just, there's only one y squared, so I just write that down. Now, y to the first degree, I've got negative 18y and negative 12y, so there's two terms here. Negative 18 plus negative 12 adds up to negative 30, so I get negative 30y, and then we just have positive 27 all by its lonesome. Okay? And then that is basically it. We write it down. So all that stuff multiplies out to 8y squared minus 30y plus 27. Any questions? No?